everyone. I'm James Ward, I'm a muon scientist. I'm going to give you a brief introduction to muons and semiconductors and what they can tell us. This is basically an introduction to what Ruud will be telling us next Tuesday. He's holding the talk. It's semiconductors and many other non-metallic type systems. So firstly, what is a semiconductor? Something with roughly empty conduction band, full valence bands. Ideally, it's insulating if it's in perfect condition, but we can add impurities to it. Dopants, often they're naturally present, just due to the way the materials are made. Some will be ionized to release a free electron into the conduction band. Some will capture an electron from the valence band, leaving a hole. Both of those correspond to the material somewhat electrically conductive, having similar relevant properties. Also, meanwhile, what is a muon? It's a charged particle, which we can embed in sample material. Therefore, it acts as a dopant. And in fact, as we've seen a few of the talks, it acts like hydrogen atoms. And the important point is that hydrogen is a...
James, what we can do with the microphone?
Sorry?
You've got it. Is it muted? Is it muted?
Muted again. So the muon is a charged particle. So as I said, it acts as a dopant in the semiconductor and acts like a hydrogen atom. And the important point is that hydrogen, or a relevant point for semiconductors, is hydrogen is often an inheritable impurity in these materials, even if it's only in parts per million level, due to the way they're produced by various techniques such as gas phase and deposition on surfaces. And therefore muon studies can tell you about hydrogen concentrations which are too low in many cases to detect by other techniques such as NR. That's because the muon is essentially its own probe, is telling you what's happening around the muon defect itself. So easier than doing NR on the proton hydrogen. So semiconductors have a long history in the USR. People did them very back in the early days, since 1960. Not long after the muons were first generated into particle accelerators, people thought we put them in some semiconductor silicon with different doping, P-type and N-type, and they found that the apparent amplitude of the oscillating signal from diameter muons was varying as a function of the dopant level. And compared to germanium, and compared that with graphite, which is basically metal, but fairly good quality metal. And they found variations here. So you might expect that all the muons are possessing the same frequency and the same amplitude, but it's varying. What's actually happening, of course, is that the muons, some muons are called muonium, and that's very sensitive to the Fermi level and the doping in the semiconductor. And similarly, they then want to try to do Muon spectroscopy on the materials to apply a magnetic field. So you've got if you've got muonium, which you then think you can split it into two energy levels, the triplet and single state, and then apply a field. These levels vary slightly, and you can measure the, for example, the field here. You've got a triplet of signals here, and a large field, you get two signals here. So you expect to see typically two frequencies on the muonium and high magnetic field, transverse field. So, in fact, that's what they roughly see. This is the beat frequency of these two frequencies here. And this is quartz, which is a good insulator and it's been well behaved. This line here is the diameter muons, and these two lines from the muonium. Similar thing happens in silicon. You've got a larger splitting here which corresponds to a smaller alkaline constant. So you might expect that to be affected by the immediate environment of the muon in the material. But what they also show, a low field with some extra unexpected lines here. And these, well, they were initially just called anomalous muonium because they didn't know what they were. Subsequently, we worked out that in practice corresponds to a muon inserting itself into the bond center. It's like between two silicon atoms. Whereas the normal muon is in the center of a cage of silicon and is relatively a much more hydrogen atom. This bond center site here has some complicated wave function. It's very anisotropic, so as you rotate the field or the sample, you see the lines are changing position. And it's a much lower spin density on the muon compared to the normal muonium site. So now, if you've got semiconductors at low temperature, you implant, as you were before, when the material is essentially frozen out, all the dopants are recapture their electron and the material is reasonably insulating. You get a random choice of a charge state, muon, muonium or muon. And then, as you increase the temperature slightly, it can capture the free electrons are also there are, and you get some relaxation from the There's also ionization of the sample itself by the incoming muon. As the muon is losing energy, it's one way you can lose energy is to generate electron hole pairs across the gap. Of course, in a semiconductor material, they're relatively long-lived and also mobile, so they can travel to subsequently arrive at the muon site. We can also do experiments by illuminating the sample to generate electron hole pairs across the gap. Or we can another experiment we can try here. So the illumination experiments here, this is the laser light example being pulsed in at about 2 microseconds. Little step here. You can see rapid increase in relaxation rates, a little more electron hole pairs into the sample. And in this experiment using different wavelengths, effective cross sections of country. And in terms of the ionization of the incoming muon, we can apply an electric field to the sample, and we can sweep away those electron hole pairs before they arrive at the muon. So in this example, the black curve is the dynamic fraction, and the golden symbols are the muonium fraction. And you can see that with a large electric field, we sweep away the electrons and holes, and we mostly have in this sample dynamic muons. Whereas in the near zero electric field, we've got a rather large fraction of muon. It's slightly asymmetric because this is the electric field applied in the direction of the muon arrival or opposite to it. So that's how sweeping the electrons and holes. Actually, it's put the electrons, which are the more mobile species, is sweeping them past the muon as it stops before they go out to the side. It gives them the last chance to interact, or sweeping them back away from the muon. In intermediate temperatures, we can start to see the dopants ionized and some carriers present in the material, and the muon starts to capture the change of charge state. So, for example, here's the dynamic fraction in silicon, quite low temperatures because we form muonium. And as we bring the temperature to under 200 kelvin, for example, in the transverse field heating, we start to see the dynamic fraction increase because the muonium is essentially ionizing, it's losing electrons to the hydrogen. And there's a certain time scale involved for this to happen. And to see a signal in the transverse field, it has to be ionizing rapidly enough that the muon doesn't process as a muonium signal before it's lost electron. If we do an RF experiment, we apply a longitudinal field to lock the muon spin parallel to its original direction. Then we put in a pulse at radio frequency to flip the spin if it's in the dynamic state. Then we can see that this process starts to happen at lower temperatures. This corresponds to the time scale of a microsecond, because this is more nanoseconds conversion. So you can see, we can measure the time scales involved in the capture or ionization processes. We can do pulsar delay RF experiment, which you'll see later. High temperatures, generally you've got charge cycling taking place, the muon's capturing and subsequently losing electrons. And these are typical relaxation curves. This is as we increase the temperature, polarization is actually increasing here, corresponding to more rapid charge cycling. What's happening on a microscopic timescale for a particular muon, say it starts, the muon is oscillating between 1 and 0 approximately polarization. At some point it ionizes, locks in that polarization, and it catches another electron to form muon again, oscillates again, starting from this value back down to maybe 0, and then loses the electron again, and so on. So a series of bursts of oscillation. If we just take all the averages for all the possible different ionization times, you get a damped oscillation, plus a rapid, followed by slower polarization. In practice, at ISIS with a pulse muon beam, we don't see this rapid oscillation. You would see that, for example, at a continuous source, and it would correspond to some rapid oscillations here, and you could actually get the relaxation rate of the transverse as well. That tell you additional information about what's happening in the charge cycle. For example, you can tell from this the relative fraction of the times it's spending in muonium versus the magnetic states. So the main interest of what we actually ultimately want to find out about the muon in the semiconductor is what its energy levels are for the ionization from muon into U plus, and in fact to U minus as well. So, and this corresponds to what hydrogen impurities are also doing in the same material. So, some materials, like in silicon, for example, these diagrams correspond to, this is the energy Fermi level across the gap, and this is the formation energy of these various states. So, in the low Fermi energy corresponding to p-type semiconductors, it's very positive charged d-type sites. The Fermi energy close to the conduction band level, n-type, favoring the fact that W H minus site. For silicon, we find that the singular site is always a higher energy than one of the other two. So in fact, it's what is called negative U site. So this singular point will never be equilibrium site state material, but we can still measure it as a metastable state. But we can measure the energy levels by looking at the rate at which we capture electrons, motion, temperature, and so on. Get the activation energy out, and then get the energy. There are more direct ways to do which Ruger and go into. But there's some other examples, like system diamond, which is a positive U system. There is then a range of permeations, which the neutral state is the stable one. So in fact, this tells you that hydrogen, if you got hydrogen in a silicon and have enough of it, it would actually pin the Fermi energy at this value of about 28 eV. Compensate out any of the dome. The other thing that happens in semiconductors is that rather than forming a tight atomic state of muonium, sometimes the energy levels of the muon energy levels close to the band edge, and what effectively happens is that you capture the muon itself is a positive charge defect, but you're capturing a conduction electron into a rather large diameter orbit. And this reveals itself as a pattern of beats around what will be the down muon precession frequency or frequency. And if you do the Fourier transform, you see you actually create peaks here, corresponding to the electron spin up, the bare muon atom electron spin down. As you increase the temperature, these collapse back into the dynamic side, because this is a very shallow binding energy, it's a few millielectron volts, and as you increase the temperature, this is releasing the electron freely into the conduction line, just as a normal n-type donor built would do. This high-fine splitting is 10 to the minus 4 or so of the muonium, and therefore you can work out that the orbital size is quite large compared to the lattice constant. So you have to, it's not safe, it's all high. And you get a few other examples of it. Telluride, zinc oxide, and so on, to
attaining higher cycles. So you can actually calculate what this solution should be based on the whole dietary constants of the semiconductor and the effective mass of the electrons. And this is the, if you follow the ionization, you can see 26 millivolts binding energy. And you can actually do tricks with these. You can try to polarize the electrons by using either very low temperatures and high fields. And we can see here, this is cadmium telluride at 50 millikelvin per 1 Tesla, and PSI to do these measurements. And depending on what the sample history is, you get polarization either way around. The question is, are we polarizing the electron before it captures onto the muon? Are we polarizing holes which are then taking electrons away from the substance? Are we polarizing the atomic muon before it polarizing the charge state? The rest. And it rather depends on the formation route. Exactly how the charge state is formed. So this is the before we yield the sample, what's after we yield. You see also that the fraction of the charge state is actually gone in this case as well. And the other thing we can try to do is to polarize the spins is to put in circularly polarized light into a semiconductor sample and see if we can generate preferentially spin up electrons and spin down holes or vice versa, which will then interact with the muon. So here we've done, this is actually zero fuel, but we're applying the laser, this spin circular polarization actually parallel or anti-parallel to the muon. And we see the two different effects here. So we're looking at these, measure things like spin, diffusion lengths, how effectively we can do this. So to conclude, muons can measure electrical activity in semiconductors, and muons break down hydrogen as an impurity, whether you want it or not in a semiconductor, in fact, in these measurements.